Hello, this is Sam again as Locksmith Security here in San Antonio. What we did today is to do a Lexus ES 2010. The lady have a fault, okay, that's our key. She has a push start. To start the ignition, what we're going to use is the MVP Pro in order to program the key, dangle A black. Okay, let's see. That's our machine. We take our dangle A. Most likely we're going to need the calculator in order to access the computer. Okay, we'll get to it later. Let's see. That's a OBD connector. I believe you can take the standard one. We just log in. Okay, enter 5 tokens in there. Lexus. Okay. Is asking me to use the calculator here. Okay, enter code 223 33 69 629. Enter. Okay, bad cup. Let's try again. Okay, once we done with the calculator, we get the response. Our computer shows us this identification to the smart key.
And it'll probably be where you think you put it.
Let's see if there is any fault codes in the system. It's always better to clear them when before you program a key, any key by the way. Special function. Reset immobilizer. We'll have to reset the immobilizer before we program a key since we don't have any key with us. So reset immobilizer, 1 token will be used. Please ensure that the driver door is open. We have to make sure our driver door is open. Okay, it's going to take about 16 minutes. Okay, I'm still waiting to finish the reset immobilizer. A few more minutes. Basically, once the time is going to be complete, time is done. We're going to see procedure complete on the screen. We're going to go back to the menu, press on program keys, then we're going to take the symbol, our remote, we press OK, of course. We have the symbol, we'll bring it close to the push start, we'll press OK, and it's just a matter of seconds when it's supposed to tell us that the key has been programmed. Let's see. Okay, after we basically waited the 30 seconds, okay, procedure complete. Let's see. It doesn't lock because the door is open, but let's try to start the ignition. Voila, all good. That door is locked. Door is open. Door is locked. Door is open. And that's it. 3 steps for success. SA Locksmith.